Hi, my name is Rajiv. I'm a passionate technologist with over 20 years of experience. Thank you for showing interest in my course on Amazon Aurora. Amazon Aurora is a managed database as a service available for MySQL and PostgreSQL database engines. In this course, my focus is on Amazon Aurora Postgres. Here are the key tenets that I have kept in mind while creating this course. Make no assumptions. I will not assume that students are already knowledgeable on Postgres concepts. So I'll cover Postgres knowledge areas throughout the course as needed. Dive deep into the concepts and show it in action. In my experience, the best way to learn a complex technical topic is to try it out on your own or at least see it in action. So throughout the course, there will be hands-on exercises that will accelerate students' learnings. Be prescriptive. Share specific solutions rather than providing just a high-level architectural view or options. By the end of this course, you will be able to design and deploy highly available, scalable, and secure Aurora PostgreSQL clusters. You will leverage various AWS, RDS, and Postgres tools for monitoring and for query performance tuning. You will be able to apply the best practices for RDS, Aurora, and Postgres. You will be ready to carry out management tasks for your Aurora PostgreSQL database clusters. And last but not the least, Aurora offers multiple unique features. You will learn how to use those features effectively to meet your specific business requirements. I'll start this course with the fundamentals of PostgreSQL and then gradually help you build your knowledge of Aurora Postgres. We will dive deep into the Aurora architecture and you will learn how it is different from the RDS PostgreSQL and community version of Postgres. Each section in the course starts with a section objectives lesson, in which I provide an overview of the topics covered in that section. I suggest that you check out the preview of the section objective lessons to get a better idea on the course coverage and my teaching style. Now let's talk about prerequisites. You need to be hands-on with AWS as the course requires you to carry out hands-on exercises. You must have an AWS account with permissions to manage resources. You should have experience with some RDBMS. Experience or knowledge of PostgreSQL is not required. For hands-on exercises, you will use AWS Console, you will use CLI and utility scripts available in the Git repository that I'm going to share with you. Basic knowledge of Unix scripting will be of help. And last but not the least, you need to be open to learn and try out the exercises on AWS. Once again, thank you for showing interest in my course, and I hope to see you in the class soon.